Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is me, Maruf here. Yeah. We're back at it again. So guys, if ever you're wondering, the fake famous Goldhorns is back. He's literally back. And yeah, because I just got this notification, Tampa Bay 2021 Goldhorn. He needs to stop. He needs to stop doing this. Like, this video's inaccurate. And he said he is being rude to me. And I'm gonna tell PG-13 about this conversation that we made. Famous Goldhorns. Like, I'm making a video for this. Like, hey, famous Goldhorns, if you're watching this, your Vancouver Canucks 2021 Goldhorn is accurate, but you have to stop stealing from famous Goldhorns. If you wanna, I know you are a short channel, but I'm a short, I'm not even, I'm a short channel as well. See, this one is inaccurate. So the real famous Goldhorns, if you're watching this, or all of my viewers who are subscribed to me, make sure to report this. If you don't know how to report this, I will teach you. Go click this 3 dots button, click the flag, then you have to click on impersonation. So you have to choose one. So it will say this channel is impersonating me, or this channel is impersonating someone else. For famous Goldhorns, for you all guys who are for the rest of the people except for famous Goldhorns, you have to select this channel is impersonating me. But for you all guys who are watching my videos, for you it's someone else. But for famous Goldhorns, it's this channel's impersonation. So then I'll click on this next. And you have to do this, you have to copy and paste famous Goldhorns. You have to copy and paste. You have to enter famous Goldhorn's new username because it told you famous Goldhorns. This channel doesn't exist. Famous Goldhorns, so I think it's not even working for a year. And he said new Goldhorns videos every day. But he was joined 2 years ago. That is really unbelievable because I think the famous Goldhorns didn't start making YouTube videos until this year. Because he was joined in 2019. That's when Goldhorns, and that's when Goldhorn creators. I wasn't a Goldhorn creator in 2019. I was a normal YouTuber. But at the time, the Goldhorn makers were creating in 2020 horns for the 2019-20 season. At that time, N2B retired in 2019, and he said he doesn't post orange anymore. But it's now 2021. Maybe he will be back. Maybe next month he will be back. Like, let's go back to the famous Gohorns. Like, this is the fake famous Gohorns. Bro, you need to stop. This profile picture is not yours. This name is not yours. Even though that famous Gohorns have a white background and a blue horn with famous Gohorns with the white. And even if it says FGH, this username this initial is not yours. Again, username. These videos are not yours. This about page is not yours. This channel is not yours. I mean, this impersonation is not yours. Bro, you need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop stealing famous Gohorns content. Even though there's 3 of them. It's also known, like, he uploaded a new video. And this is an he didn't got it correct. See, he didn't got it correct. I wrote inaccurate on it. Bro, you're making me pissed, ma'am. You're pissing me off. You're making me pissed. Okay, anyways. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hopefully YouTube look at it and terminate that YouTube channel. That false YouTube channel. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.